Hello, in this video we are going to install Tailwind CSS in our Laravel project. I've got brand new installation of a Laravel project. So let's see how we can install Tailwind CSS in this project. I will go into the command line and install npm using npm install Tailwind CSS. And I'm also going to install post CSS hyphen import. I press enter. So now we see that both Tailwind CSS and Post CSS import have been installed successfully. Next, we are going to create the config file for the Tailwind CSS. We can do so using the command npx. Remember, it is npx and not npm. npx Tailwind CSS init. And our command has run successfully. And if we see at the root of our project, we will have a new config file. We will come back to it later in a few moments. Next, we will run Laravel Mix. If you are not aware of the Laravel Mix, what it will do is that it will create an CSS file in the public folder based upon the configuration file that we have over here. So let us open up this file. So we will go to resources, CSS, app.css, and here we will copy the code to install Tailwind CSS. Another thing that we need to do within the webpack.js file is that we need to require post CSS import as well as require Tailwind CSS. And now we can run our webpack using the command npm run dev. Now we get this message, and with that, Tailwind has been installed successfully in our project. It is located in this css app.css file, but we see that it has currently the size of 2.28 MB. Even though Tailwind has been installed successfully, this file size of 2.28 MB is just not sustainable due to the performance issues. So let's see what we can do. Well, we are going to go into our config file, and here within this purge options, what we are going to do is we are going to specify those directories which have our HTML. So next time we compile our CSS, it will only hold those CSS classes which have been used within these three directories. Anything else which is not being used will be purged from the final CSS file. So let's see if that works or not. We will go to our command line terminal and we will check npm run prod. Remember, this would not work on dev, so we need to run prod. And now that the command is finished, we see that CSS file has been successfully generated, and now this CSS file is having a size of just 7.5 KB. This is such a huge performance improvement. And now you're free to use Tailwind CSS in your Laravel project. Hope you have enjoyed this video and have got a good understanding of how to install Tailwind CSS in your Laravel project. Thank you for watching.